Hey guys, today we're going to review the steps of long division. So we're going to do the problem 28,487 divided by 26. Set it up like this. Make sure we have spacing between the numbers. Too often we make mistakes because we scrunch it in too much. Okay, let's remember dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. And then we got a cat. Dad, mom, sister, brother, rover, cat. This is our steps that we follow. Remember, dad stands for divide. M in mom stands for multiply. S in sister stands for subtract. The B in brother stands for bring down. And then the R in rover stands for repeat. Or when we get to the end, it can be our remainder. Okay, and then the cat at the very end would be always check your work. Make sure it makes sense. Okay, so let's go through the steps. First, we're going to divide. We're going to take 26 and we're going to divide it by 2. 26 doesn't fit into 2. It's important that we put a 0 there, so we have all the place values taken. 26 does go into 28 one time. The 1's got to go here. Don't put the 1 over the 2. 26, now we multiply. 26 times 1 is 26. Now we subtract. 28 minus 26 is 2. Next, we need to bring down. We're going to bring down this 4. Now we repeat. Let's divide. 26 goes into 24. It doesn't. We have to put a 0 here. Don't forget that 0. It's an important spot. 0 times 26 is 0. Subtract 24 minus 0 is 24. Bring down 8. Now we repeat, divide 26 into 248. That's a tough one. That's going to take some thought. Well, let's see. 25 goes into 250 about 10 times. We know it's going to be near 10, so let's try 9 first. So off to the side, I'm going to write 26 times 9. And if we're wrong, we'll have it for later. $234 times. It's a little bit smaller. There we go. Now 9 times 26 to multiply. We already found it over here. Now we subtract. Oh, I didn't subtract yet. 8 minus 4, 14. Then we bring down. That's the last thing we can bring down, a 7. Now, how many 26s and 147? I don't know, but I can count by quarters, 25. 25 goes into 150 6 times, 6 quarters and $1.50, but it's going to be a little less than that, so I know it's going to be 5. So off to the side again, I'm going to do 26 times 5, just so I don't get things too scrunched, 130. Okay, so there we go, times 5. 26 times 5, 130. That's our multiply. Now we subtract. 147 minus 130 is 17. Now we bring down. There's nothing to bring down. So for now, that's going to be our remainder. So our answer is 1,095 with a remainder of 17. Later on, we'll change that to a fraction or a decimal. Okay, before I'm done, I want to check my work. I want to make sure it makes sense. I'm going to do this reverse this time. Instead of compatible numbers. 1,095 remainder 17 times 26 should give us this number. So I'm going to take a number close to 1,095. I'm just going to take 1,000. And I can do 1,000 times 26. 26 times 1 is 26. With 3 trailers, 26,000. 26,000 should be close to 28,487. It is. There's my estimating check. I could have multiplied these and added this to find the exact, but I feel pretty confident that my answer is 1,095, remainder 17. That's how long division works.